Real Construction Group, leaders in kitchen and home renovation. Kitchen is typically one of the most used areas of the home. It is often referred to as the heart of the home. It is where you entertain guests, enjoy meals and laughter with the family. In Toronto, the kitchen is also one of the most popular rooms for renovations and remodeling. Such remodels not only reward the homeowner with increased utility, comfort, and beauty. Kitchen renovation can also increase a home's value by as much as 30%. Real Construction Group performs everything your renovation requires, from designing and manufacturing your custom cabinetry, countertops demolition, lighting, plumbing, support wall removal, all the way to painting and patching. We make it our goal to provide you with complete service so that your dream kitchen can become a reality and the process of renovation becomes simple by having one company working hard to make your dream home a reality. Our mission is your complete satisfaction, as well as adding value for your home. For more information, contact us for your next project on 905-598-0025. You can visit our website on www.realgroup.ca or email us on info@realgroup.ca.